A new think tank report released on Monday said China's outlook on human rights has been continuously enriched and improved in practice. The report was jointly released by the China Foundation for Human Rights Development and the New China Research under Xinhua News Agency. It said China has formed a contemporary outlook on human rights with people as the center, development as the driving force, and a life of contentment as the goal. Over the past decades, China has lifted some 770 million rural Chinese out of poverty and increased its per capita disposable income by more than 180 times. The country also raised its average life expectancy to 78.2 years from less than 35 years before 1949, when the People's Republic of China was founded. Experts from various countries said China's experience on protection of human rights is inspiring for other countries, especially for developing countries.
Human rights encompasses many different kinds of freedoms, and the freedom to work, to have a decent lifestyle, to be able to express yourself as well. All of those things are being ensured in China. I think China has really improved tremendously. 100 million people have been removed from poverty. There's virtually no sort of extreme poverty now in China. And China has made tremendous progress in educating its population. It has now one of the higher levels of education.
تجربة الصين ملهمة في حقوق الإنسان بالفعل لشعوب المنطقة والشعوب التي تسعى إلى التنمية وإلى الرفاهية. تجربة الصين تجربة تستحق أن تدرس، وهي تقوم على النظام والعدل والعدالة الاجتماعية، تقوم على مراعاة الإنسان والمواطن من احتياجاته الصحية الثقافية والتعليمية